If you're on H1B in US, the system is breaking right in front of you. On one hand, the employer fees of $100,000 and on the other hand, the endless green card wait. And having an exit plan is not just a want, but it's a need. And this video will help you make one. Because Canada has officially confirmed an accelerated PR pathway for H1B holders in 2026. And in this video, I'll break down what's coming, who is eligible, and how you can be prepared before everyone else, because last time it came in 2023 and the 10,000 people spot were filled in just 2 days. If you're new here, my name is Dhanesh Sharma. I'm an ex-recruiter from Government of Canada and I help job seekers land better jobs here in North America. So let's dive in. So why is Canada doing this? Well, back in 2023, Canada launched a one-time work permit accelerator program for H1B holders. It had a cap of 10,000 people and it was hit in less than 48 hours. This single data point gave Canadian government all they wanted, which is there is a massive global talent stuck in US system. These workers are already vetted, skilled and employed, and many are actively looking for alternatives. So instead of repeating the temporary fixes, Canada decided to do something differently this time, which is move from just giving work permits to giving PR directly. Now this new PR pathway sits under Canada's International Talent Attraction Strategy. The government has confirmed that the focus is on permanent residence, not just work permit. The rollout is planned in 2026 and selection will likely to happen with express entry route. That means this is not a random intake. It is expected to be operated under the category based draw, similar to how French draws and healthcare draws are happening here in Canada right now. So think of it this way. This is not a mass immigration program. This is a highly targeted capped pathway, and it is designed to specifically for those people that Canada wants. And not everyone on the H1B list will be eligible for it. So who is this PR pathway for? Well, based on the official announcement and policy direction, these are the things that you need. First is the H1B proof. You must show your current or previous H1B specialty occupation status. Second is the priority occupation alignment. See, Canada is focusing on healthcare, research and academic, STEM roles, and advanced emerging industry like software, AI, data, and engineering. And third is the core PR eligibility. That means a recognized educational credential, language eligibility, and clean background check. And here's an important advantage if you want to open not just one door, but multiple pathway for you, which is French, because Canada is increasing their francophone population outside Quebec region, for which they're increasing their French draws every single year. And if you want to learn more in detail about it, you can check out this video. But if you are planning on learning French to apply for French draws, then you can also check out our MPM French school. In this school, we have helped many people to get their ITA, extend their work permit, and apply for their PR under French category. The CRS score for French draws is below 400 right now, which is absolutely insane. And if you can dedicate 6 to 8 months towards learning this language, then this pathway can also bring you through PR route under the French category. So think of it this way. If you get into H1B accelerator program, awesome, but there is a limit. Whereas in French draws, the number of invitations are going above to 40 to 50,000 every single year. So now all of a sudden, your chances of getting PR increased by 4x. And inside our French school, you also get access to an immigration officer who can help you throughout this transition process. So go book your free call today. And moving on to the most important part is the document checklist that you need. Because if you wait for the portal to open and collect those documents, you have already lost your spot. So here's what you need. Number one is the H1B documents, your H1B visa, your form I-797 or I-797B approval notice, your I-94 record, and your proof of US residency. Next are some standard PR documents. Number one would be the language test, IELTS or CELPIP. If you're not sure which one is better for you, go watch this video. It will help you to decide. Next is your educational credential assessment, also known as ECA. You would also require a police certificate from every country you lived more than 6 months since the age of 18. And detailed reference letters on company letterhead. Now, some of these things like police verification as well as ECA can take months, so start early. And now that the documents are out of the way, let's talk about the cost. See, this process will not cost you $100,000 just like how employer H1B process is working right now in the United States. But you would only require to pay the standard government fees that can vary between $800 to $1,500. So very predictable and transparent. And this is how your application process will look like. First, you will create an express entry profile. You will enter into the pool and you will receive a targeted invitation under H1B or STEM aligned draw. The timeline would be once you get your ITA, it can take anywhere between 6 to 10 months to get your PR. And it varies a lot. When I applied for my PR, it took me 10 to 11 months to get my PR card in hand. But some of my friends got it in 5 months as well. So it totally depends on situation and applicant to applicant. But hey, I mean 10 months or 10 years, you choose. Now, here's what you need to do in the next 30 days to be prepared for this. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 2 years. Prepare a clean 10-year travel history. Book your language test early if you do not have it from the last 2 years. Align your US job duties to Canadian NOC code. You can find this from the official Canadian website. And check whether you have enough time for the French category or not, because that can open multiple doors for you. And if you're watching this and wondering that, hey, H1B process, getting to Canada is all fine, but what will I do once I'm there? How will I find a job? Well, then MPM also have the job hunt community, which is #1 job hunt community on School platform right now. We were also given an award from Alex Hormozy for the same. This community helps people land their field job in less than 90 days. So once you plan on applying for this PR pathway and everything is done, we can also help you find that perfect role within your field. Inside our MPM job hunt community, we can also find you the exact mentor from your own field that can help you until you land that job offer. So from dreaming of transitioning from US to Canada to landing that right role and living your Canadian dream, everything is possible here at MPM. Book your free strategy call with our team today. And if you have any specific question regarding this PR pathway, let me know in the comments. I can bring our immigration expert to answer them for you. And if you're stick till here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.